Hey B, so I'm up on the corner today now. You want to see a little bitch like my virgin left her, you know? Come on the corner and I cry about why you left me and Ray. Man deal with her way.
So what she could have do so?
I don't know. Tell me know she desperate. Cause the man a deal with her way like dog shit. And she still there beg the man.
For real?
Yeah man.
Try nobody around put me them way there, you know. Can I go do your turbo things?
Yeah, I hear that one.
Alright, think I joke me and make me go fuck you up.
You don't have to fuck me up, man. Man, you fuck me, but not fuck me up.
Well, try it. Anytime you decide to do it, just think about yourself and think twice.
That even a penetrate that, cause that nah, man. Me ain't nah left, you know. You know what I mean, man?
Alright, man.
Me love me car, me love me bike, me love me money and thing. Most of all, me love me browning.
Hey, I want me not hear about no black name in the future.
You one, man. You one.
Hey, bomb o'clock, y'all. Come out of me now.
Maja, just stop now when you do all of this.
Hey, the fuck you tell me?
Maja, when all of this.
Hey, let go me and come out of me, man.
Can't believe I say that to you,
man. Hey,
Maja, what me do you?
What you mean, what you do?
When all of this, so Maja, when all of this,
compatible, man. I come go on like you want to come tie down bad, man.
Maja, what me never do for you? What me never do for you? And the stuff to bomb o'clock, y'all make you treat me so.
Hey, I go there, customer, man. What you feel like? Me shooting in your face, you know. That me make you know, you know. I know yourself, you know. You that bomb.
Maja, don't stop, Maja, please. Hey. Maja, let me. What you want me to do? Oh, God, Maja, you're gonna make a brown girl and mash up with life, Maja. Oh, God, look how far we are come from. Maja, look how far me I come from. You really are gonna make a girl mash up with Maja. Just please look where left me. Maja, you can't just come in my life for a walk out. So what am I supposed to do when you can't left me, Maja?
Yo, and from the start, this couldn't work between me and you.
Why can't work? What me not do, Maja?
That's the need you to get up when I was on the down, but now I'm get up Renee, this can't work between me and you, is it? I have a pretty brown in now, like ugly bomb clock. Yeah, let me go, man.
To the slaughter, I say blazing fire and water. Yeah, shot with bombs and hand grenade. Maja bless alongside your shield.
Yo, Russian, you smell that?
Breaks done.
That's money.
We want to be by now.
I smell the money.
Yeah.
Been working so hard, so hard. All about the paper. I forgot it.
Right, chance.
Warm the tail. Someone the tail, eh? Hey, no, I want to move, you know. Get them down. Hey, that y'all. Make yesterday morning, man. Yo, open that one.
I recognize you now.
Recognize her. Hey, that y'all. Where you chat, say?
Them eyes they can't hide.
Hey, come here. Come in the box. Come. Let go of Come in. Yo, my dad, what up, you? Hey, boys. What do you mean you recognize me?
You don't have to do myself to convince me now. I know I do my job.
You call me names. Eh?
We are to this far.
See the coach. Nah, hurt you. See? I love how you move. I love how you move from where they are. I love how you move. When you move, please don't kill me. How you deal? How you deal? How your skin look nice and pretty when you look like you want to do it. How you deal?
Please. We have something very, very important to say to you now. Meet me at Emancipation Park Sunday, 4 o'clock. Coming up.
You see me.
Call me very, very important.
you don't want to say?
I have something to tell you. Alex is alive, Maja.
What you say?
Alex is alive.
You're the foolishness.
I'm
Tell
not
me what you
joking.
tell me.
Maja, I'm not joking. The reason why I tell her that he was dead was because I didn't want you to have any ties with him so that they could find him. He's alive.
You're alive.
I hide him. I'm not lying. I hide him.
Go on the Poochie.
Behind you. Alex!
Come here. Yes! Alright. Yeah.
Yeah, man, I just do that for you, you know?
I'm to over there, sir.
Alright.
Go on now, Alex. Yeah, baby.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Alright.
Is everything supposed to have one floor? No, I have something to tell you too.
Yeah? About what?
Remember the document where your sister stole in her shoes?
It was a document? The thing where you put stuff into the shoes? What?
Yeah,
What?
man.
Yeah?
It's a contract, you know.
For what?
For one of my albums where I sell millions, you know.
What?
Yeah, man.
So, you have to go now.
Well, it's the life I live.
Mm-hmm.
I not even know if I can make it tomorrow, you know.
Let's have them with them, man.
Poach, man, you listen to me, I say, man, because in case I don't make it, I want to know, say, this is a safe hands. I want to know, say, my youth, I got benefit off all of my hard work.
No doubt you can trust me upon that.
Just keep it safe. Just grow him good.
You know
Yeah.
how to do that. I take care of him like I'm my own.
I know that, man, you know. So you know you make me happy today, you know. Yeah.
Give auntie a hug.